जिनो प्रुडंट T20 कप 2017 सर्तीत मंगळारा पयले मॅचीन मये युनियनान अमर ब्रदर्स मराठा वॉरियर्साक 5 विकेटींनी मारले। दुसरे मॅचीन कृष्णा कन्स्ट्रक्शन्स संडे चॅम्प्सान वेरे युनायटेडाचेर 7 विकेटींनी जय जोडले। सर्त पर्वरे GCA ग्राउंडार सुरू आसा।
Good looking shot, nicely picked up, and look at that beauty from Rajan. Oh, in cutter in completely. Oh, once again, what a in swinger this is. Oh, slightly room and going bang, and that is the trade back shot from the captain. Lofted shot, enough of the bat on that one. Lofted shot, the ball is in the air, there's a fielder will take that catch, he drops it, the ball will go for 4 and yes it will. 142, 143 is the winning chase target for Miami Union. Well bowled, and this time the ball piercing through right on the money. Good looking shot, gets hold of this one, this time the ball will find the fence. Good hit, nice and straight down the ground. Oh, this time slow one did the work for him. Congratulations Miami Union Sports Club for outstanding win, and look at that back-to-back boundaries from Vishal Parab. What a way to bring glory for his team. A big congratulations for Miami Union and well played Maratha Warriors. Good looking shot, gets hold of this one, finds the placement, brilliant. Good looking shot, this time finds the gap and the ball races away to the boundary. Oh, picked up this time and enough bat on that. Well bowled and the timber is shaken. Appeal, loud shout but denied. Will be legged by a single to take the score to 127. Good work, but straight to Durgesh Naik, and he's delighted. Oh, nicely picked up this time. What a beauty. The ball after going a couple of bounces to the fence. Lofted shot. This time gets hold of this one. Huge, high, handsome. Going aerial, but finding a fielder and taken. Well, he decides to go aerial and big time. And what a way to bring their victory. Sunday champ wins. Congratulations.
ऑल गोवा मोटरस्पोर्ट्स असोसिएशनाची फार्मागुडयेर D3 ऑटोक्रॉस चॅम्पियनशीप जाली। ADCचो चेअरमॅन सिद्धार्थ कुंकळकरान चॅम्पियनशिपाचे उक्तावण केले।
सिद्धार्थ कुंकळकरानूय 4 व्हीलराचेर ताची स्किल दाखयली।
मोटोक्रॉस इव्हेंट एक म्हाका दिसता एड्रेनालिन पंपिंग इव्हेंट, एक यूथफुल इव्हेंट वेर यू नीड लॉट ऑफ स्किल्स विथ द मशीन। आमी गाडयो सदांच चलयता पूण एक स्किलफुली चलोवप। आतां हांव एक ट्रायल रावंड तांचे बरोबर घेतलो आनी इट वॉज सो एक्सायटींग। म्हणजे हँड ब्रेकाचेर कंट्रोल, गाडयेचेर परफेक्ट कंट्रोल, मायंड कंट्रोल, युअर कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन। म्हाका दिसता इट्स अ व्हेरी गुड स्पोर्ट।
मोटर स्पोर्ट्स हो हाजे फुडें फ्युचर जनरेशनाचो स्पोर्ट्स जावन आसा। आमकां सगळ्यांक खबर आसा मोटर स्पोर्ट्स हो थोडोसो कॉस्टली स्पोर्ट, पूण हळू ज्या लेवलाचेर आज इंटरनॅशनली मोटर स्पोर्ट्स पाविल्ले आसा तातूंत भितर जरी आमकां मोटर स्पोर्ट्स जरी मेळत तातूंत प्रत्येक तरेचे सेफ्टी मेजर्स एक्सेप्ट करून, सेफ्टी मेजर्स पाळून हो स्पोर्ट्स हो कंडक्ट केलो वता। हो स्पोर्ट्स आमी मुद्दम खास करून आज गोंयान जो अरेंज केल्लो आसा। गोंयान खरेच बरे ड्रायव्हर्स आमचे कडेन आसात। ह्या स्पोर्ट्सान पार्टिसिपेट जावपा सारके बरे टॅलेंटेड ड्रायव्हर्स आमचे कडेन आसात। तांकांय बी खंय ना खंय तरी स्कोप, तांकां खंय तरी एक ओपनिंग आनी तांकां एक ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी दिवपा खातीर ऑल गोवा मोटर स्पोर्ट्स असोसिएशन, आमचे सगळे वांगडी ऑल गोवा मोटर स्पोर्ट्स असोसिएशनान हो खास करून हो D3 हो चॅम्पियनशीप ही ऑटोक्रॉस चॅलेंज ऑर्गनायज करपा खातीर फाटले जवळपास एक म्हयनोभर सगळे जाण रात दीस काम करीत आसात।
प्रुडंटा खातीर विवेक प्रभू।
19वी राष्ट्रीय कॅडेट आणि सब ज्युनियर टेबल टेनिस सर्त ब्रेस्तारा श्यामाप्रसाद मुखर्जी इंडोर स्टेडियमार सुरू जातली। 6 दिसाचे हे सर्तीन गोयचे तशेंच बाकीच्या राज्यांतले खडेगाड उदेंते टेबल टेनिस प्लेयर वांटो घेतले। अंदू गोय टेबल टेनिस संघटनेचे भांगरा महोत्सवी वर्स हे निमतान संघटना वेगवेगळ्यो सर्ती घेता।
We are having a big mega event, the cadets and sub-junior nationals in Goa. In all, 120 teams will be participating in the cadets boys, cadets girls, sub-junior boys and sub-junior girls. Besides the team championship, we will be having the individual championship. All the players, all the ranking players of India will be participating in this championship. We have our own also, Mr. Sandesh Mapshekar, who is ranked number 2 in India. Sandesh only 11 and Nagesh is only 12 years old, but they'll be competing against under 15 years in the sub-juniors. The championship will start from 14th of this month and will be winding up on 19th of this month.
One thing with the sub-junior nationals is this is one of the toughest nationals. Toughest nationals in the sense that the number of participants are more. Here if you see the singles, the total entries is touching around 1,000. The sub-junior boys, sub-junior girls, cadet girls. Players are almost 800. Then some 70 to 80 technical officials. Then coaches, managers, another 100, 200. Then apart from that, the parents also come. So, scattering for around say 1,300 to 1,500 people for all the 6 days is not a joke. It is very, very tough. And especially it is children. And you have to be very, very careful with the food. And I'm really happy that Goa Table Tennis Association under the leadership of Mr. Varo, he himself is a player. So he knows what are all the things to be done and they made very good arrangements.
हे बुलेटिन हांगाच सोंपता। ह्यो खबरो तुमकां प्रुडंट व्हॉट्सएप, ट्विटर, फेसबुक आणि प्रुडंट वेबसायटीचेर लायव्ह पळोवपाक मेळटा। प्रुडंटाक फॉलो करात। नमस्कार।